To edit text on a page, find the pencil icon. Clicking this icon will open a WYSIWYG editor and will allow you to edit text on that page. As you can see, there are a lot of buttons that will probably remind you of Microsoft Word. Let's just start at the top. The first one is proofing, to check your text language. The second one is find replace, which will just allow you to find words and replace them with something else. Then there's copy and paste, cut, copy, paste. But you can obviously also use your keyboard or right mouse button or whatever you prefer. Then there is pasting from Word and other programs, and pasting is plain text. What you should know is when you copy text from another web page, a Word document or a PDF file, it will copy the formatting of the text. And if you paste it in your website, it will probably look different than the rest of your website. This is something you want to avoid. So you use, for example, the paste plain text, which will open a pop-up. And you can paste your text here, press paste, and it will paste it without any formatting. So it will automatically take the formatting of your website, and it will have the fonts and colors and such that the rest of your website uses. So this is something you want to use. You can paste as HTML if you want. You can redo and undo with these buttons, or just use Ctrl-Z or Ctrl-I. Then there's the image manager, which allows you to edit images. Where you place your cursor, that's where it will add the image. Pressing this button will open a pop-up, and it will show you your site files folder within your website with all the files that you've already uploaded. You can click folders, see what's inside. Click an image and press insert to enter the image. Or you can upload new files using the upload button. Click select and find an image you want to upload from your computer. You might overwrite a file if it already exists. You can add multiple images at the same time and press upload. As you can see, it uploaded the file to the website. You can change some properties of the image if you want, like the alternative text that will show up if the image isn't loaded correctly or if your user is on a screen reader without any images. Title text, which will show up when you hover your cursor on the image, show a little tooltip with text. This is also used for Google, so Google knows what your image is showing. You can add some spacing around it. This is all optional. You can press insert. It will place your image where you had your cursor. Afterwards, you can also use your right mouse button to change the properties if you're not happy. Change your position, alignment perhaps. Press OK. You can set an image map if you want a certain part of the image to be clickable. Using the image map button. Choose an image and create image maps. You can just draw, I think, add new area, drag it around. And this part of the image will become clickable. You can insert Flash, some other media files, or create links to documents on your website. For example, if you want to make a link to a file, you can select the text and click the Document Manager button. This will also open your site files folder. You can upload files. This can be anything, a Word document, but also an image, PDF file, and so on. And what it will do is automatically create a link to that file you've selected. You can choose target if you want to open it in a new window, which is probably what you want if you're linking to PDF files and such. Press insert and it will make a link to your document. You can also upload files here. There's also an upload button, just like in the image manager. Template manager is something that's not used in most websites. You can create normal links using the hyperlink manager, which will open a pop-up where you can type in any website and it will create a link. You can also select the target, open it in a new window. You can remove the link using your right mouse button or pressing this button. You can change text, make it bold, italic, underlined, strike through, change the alignment of the text, indent, outdent, create a numbered list, an ordered list or bullet list, change the text like you're used to in programs such as Word, convert text to lowercase or uppercase, add tables. You can select the rows and columns you'd like and it will create a table. You can edit this table. You can even use your right mouse button to edit the cells. Lots of options. Form elements not used. Then there are some special characters you might want to insert. So it's just a copyright sign, easily inserted through this icon. You can change the text color if you'd like. Or the background color of the text. You can even change the font, though you might not want to because the website will probably have a font used already. You can change the size of the text. Apply CSS class, though this is probably not something you'll be using. And then there's one that is pretty important, which is all the predefined styles that are in the website. When you are typing a title of a web page, you will probably want to give it heading 1, which is H1. And as you can see on this website, it's orange. You might also want to have another heading. You can just click the style you'd like, and it will change to that element. As you can see, it now is heading 2. We might change it back to normal text, paragraph, or back to heading, whatever we'd like. The last button is the format stripper, which if you did copy from Word and you want to remove this formatting, you can strip it. But it's best not to copy from Word at all, and just always use the paste this plain text option. Then on the left there are some extra options like superscript, subscript. You can create a paragraph manually, but you can also just press enter. Then there's some date stamps. And if you'd like, you could print your page. You can also add horizontal rulers. And then there are tabs at the bottom that allow you to switch between HTML view and preview. You see the HTML code that is used. You can simply switch between editing HTML and previewing design, whatever you'd like. Then there's also a button at the bottom called Site Links, which is used to create links between pages of the website. So you'd be able to select some text and then press the Site Links button. And it will pop up the tree of all the pages in your website. And you can simply click a website you want to link to, press OK, and it will create a link to that website. So no need to take a look at the URL, copy paste, and so on. Just easily click the page. You don't need to select any text to link. You can also just press the side links button, select the page, and it will then create a link with the title of the page. When you're done editing, you can press the update button, and it will save your changes. And if you're happy with it, you can publish.